Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add terms and conditions on Wix. This is an essential feature for any website as it protects your business and clearly outlines the rules and guidelines for your visitors. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear, giving you access to various site management options. From here, you can preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment to make sure that this is the website you wish to add your terms and conditions page to. This is important if you manage multiple sites under one Wix account, as you want to ensure you're working on the correct one. From this page, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on it to proceed. You will now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where the actual design and structure of your site can be modified. From here, start by locating the Pages and Menu button on the left navigation menu and click on it. This section controls all the pages on your site and how they're organized in your menu. The Pages and Menu section will expand, and from here you can start adding your terms and conditions page. Click on the Add New Page button at the bottom part of your screen. A new page will be added, and this will serve as your terms and conditions page. For easier identification, change the page name to Terms and Conditions. Once the page is created, you can now add the terms and conditions you wish to use for your business and website. This is where you'll outline all the legal guidelines and policies that visitors need to agree to when using your site. Now let's start to link the terms and conditions page on your footer. To make a uniformed approach, simply copy a sample text block from your footer so you can retain the formatting and design already present on your website. Once copied, type in terms and conditions. This ensures consistency across your site's design. Now we'll link this text to your page. Once done, click on the text and locate the link button. From here, a small link window will appear. From the radio selection, choose Page. Now on the Page drop-down, select the Terms and Conditions page we created earlier. This links the footer text directly to your new page, making it easily accessible to visitors. And that's it. You've successfully added a terms and conditions page to your Wix website and linked it to your footer for easy access. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.